right, now she's in her onesie and on the monkey bouncer. This is what she looks like. And her little toes. This is Fisher Price. She does take a full pacifier, which is nice. And this is silicone pacifier. I got this, if you're looking for it, at Dollar General. Comes in a box of 2. And I don't recall the price on it. But she looks very, very cute. I just wanted to show this. I have the bouncer turned on. And look at her pacifier go. Is that too funny? That is too funny. Okay, let's see her without it. Oh, you can't tell. Alright, let's put the pacifier back on. You can't see her shaking without the pacifier. No shake. Pacifier on. That is too funny. All right. Thank you, everyone.